Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save a page in Notion as a PDF file. So here I'm opening this desktop app. You need to open it in Google Chrome. So I'm going to run Notion. Okay. This is the same page. You have to sign into your Notion account. It will be already signed in. Okay. After that, you need this extension from Google Chrome. You go to Google Store, okay, Google Store, and search here. Okay, not this. Where you go? Google Store. Chrome Web Store. Sorry, and search about this tool, GoFullPage. Okay. We paste it here. You will find the link in the description. After that, you will install it, and in a simple way, you go to the page, go up, go in the upper page, or إنجليزي يا شيخ. Press here, and now you can save it as a PDF file. This is the PDF. If I open it, and sometimes because I didn't love that thing in the middle, so I save it here as a PNG and open Adobe Acrobat or any place that will transform your picture to PDF file. So the whole picture will be as a PDF file without this cutting lines. Where's the cutting lines? I deleted it. Yes, here. This with cutting lines. Thank you for watching.